Life Insurance 101 Term V is Whole Life. Hi everyone, welcome to Danny Invests. This is a special segment on Life Insurance 101. Life insurance is a crucial aspect of financial planning, and it is essential that we understand the basics of how it works. In this video, we'll go over what life insurance is, the different types of life insurance policies, and why it's important to have life insurance coverage. So, let's get started. What is life insurance? Life insurance is a contract between you and an insurance company, where you pay a premium in exchange for financial coverage in the event of your death. The death benefit paid out to your beneficiaries can help cover expenses such as funeral costs and outstanding debts, or provide a source of income for your loved ones. Types of life insurance. There are two main types of life insurance policies: term life insurance and whole life insurance. Term life insurance provides coverage for a specific period of time, usually ranging from 10 to 30 years. The death benefit is paid out only if the policyholder dies during the term. This type of policy is generally less expensive and provides coverage for a specific need, such as paying off a mortgage or providing income for dependents. Whole life insurance, on the other hand, provides coverage for the policyholder's entire life and also builds cash value over time. This type of policy is generally more expensive, but can also serve as a source of savings and investment. Why is life insurance important? Having life insurance is important for a number of reasons. First and foremost, it provides financial protection for your loved ones in the event of your death. The death benefit can help cover expenses and provide a source of income for your family. Additionally, life insurance can also serve as a source of savings and investment. Whole life insurance, for example, builds cash value over time, which can be borrowed against or used as a source of retirement income. In conclusion, life insurance is a crucial aspect of financial planning, and it is essential that we understand the basics of how it works. Whether you're just starting your financial journey or you're well into your career, it's never too late to consider life insurance coverage. Thanks for watching this video on Life Insurance 101. I hope you found it informative and that you now have a better understanding of what life insurance is, the different types of policies available, and why it's important to have coverage. If you have any questions or would like to learn more, please leave a comment below. If you're looking for a trusted financial professional, recommendations are provided in the description of this video. That's it for this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more financial planning tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.